Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO V17 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. You need to open the control panel, swiping from down to up, and here you will see the Do Not Disturb mode. It's here. If you don't see it here, so you can change your notification, your control panel. So move it from example, from here to here. If you have DND mode on the right panel, so move it to the left panel. It's easy to do. So do it, and great, so really great. But if you wanna set the DND mode up, you need to open the settings, then click sound and vibrations, find the Do Not Disturb, and set it up here and turn on manually. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.